What's up YouTube, my name is Bula Gaming and we back another video, and today we gonna unboxing another video. It's been a while, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I just got a new microphone. If you can see, a new microphone right now. It's called what's the name? FANTECH company, and the model of the microphone is MCX01 LEVIOSA. Is that pronounced it? LEVIOSA. So what in the function of the box is a USB microphone, condenser microphone, USB. You can good for YouTube streaming or karaoke or whatever. In the side of the box, you can see its functionality, a lot of feature. I don't know I can translate, but yeah, it's good for Mac and PC. That's good. So back in the box is more text and word that I cannot see because I need to check my eye. Okay, that's all we can get in the back. If you guys want to read it, just pause and read it. And side of the map is another function that if you guys want to read it yourself. I don't want to read it all of it. Easy to use. Okay, that's all the box can offer. So let's see what is inside the box. First, I buy this. I test it first before I'm recording to see what came in the box. So we open the box. First start, if you can see right now, the first part outside the box, you can get your pop filter, your microphone, and stuff, the mount to clamp it. So let's see what we can build us the microphone. Take it all out. Yes, everything is nothing here right now. And what else we can get? USB cable to go to the microphone and to the PC or computer or Mac. It's the same thing. I'm sorry about that. So and what's next is a warranty card if you want to check the warranty, and the manual. I suggest you read the manual. It's pretty decent. So we're gonna see what gonna offer this microphone. I tested a bunch of times. Yes, so the box came with a lot of stuff. The stand itself is good, and yeah, I guess the build quality of the microphone is pretty much decent. The sound quality is good. So that's it, I guess. So we're gonna do a little review on the microphone. So the microphone is not really much to say because it's already good for me. It's really high price on my country, really high actually. I don't know, I have the goddamn money to buy the microphone, a new one. My old microphone is kind of busted. This microphone on my neck right now, the clip one, is for my phone. I cannot use on computer or PC or laptop. Same thing again. And Let's me continue on. The microphone is good. Is small maybe, but the sound quality is louder than I expected. In the back of the microphone itself is, if you turn around the microphone, you don't get a decent sound. So you fade away. The sound is fade away. So I guess this microphone is louder if the mic is not too close, just direct to your face, maybe. I don't know. Still need to test a lot. The light in this microphone, if you connect to your PC or laptop, it will light the LED, the RGB light. You know what is RGB light? It stands for red, green, blue, RGB. So that's it, I guess. So I don't know when I'm gonna start live streaming, because I wait until I get to I get to the new house, move to the new location, new house. Until that, if I done moving to the new house, then I can start recording, because this is a really tight space right now. My face is against the wall right now. It's too small for now. It's not good enough. If I manage to record any gaming video, if I want to, it's still not enough. It's too tight. It's too tight. It's too small. I need a bigger space, and I need to buy more things before I start streaming. First time stream. For now, I wait, I don't know for how long, until I know what to do. Right now, I have a game I want to play, but it's a lot of things to take care of right now. The game is a lot of things to do. I cannot record just half of it. I need to do a little side track. So that's what I planned. I planned to live stream for then, and I edit the video and I will put on my YouTube channel. I will live on different platform, and I guess I gonna put on YouTube if I edit it. Okay, so back to where we started. The build quality is metal. It's nothing to do. You have a headphone jack. What do you need a headphone jack for? I can connect. Whatever. You have a headphone jack. He can increase the audio. He can make an echo. So you turn the dial. It's gonna go boom, 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 like a, you know, echo in the tight space room thing. You can boom, 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 echo. So I guess that's it on the box, and nothing else to do right now. So yeah, I guess that's it. This is just a small video. It's been a while. Okay, I still don't have idea. My idea is suck. Actually, I don't know. Come on, guys. I know it's been long. It's been a while. It's been a month I'm not recording. I just rest myself, thinking a lot, thinking what to do next. And yeah, I guess that's it. So we're gonna wrap this up. I don't want to say goodbye, say anything stupid. So just like always, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and my social media link down in the description down below. And if you new, subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, good for you. And please, if you kind enough to donate a tiny bit of money, link will in the down below, and that will help me and help you guys. maybe help me more. But yeah, guess that's it. OS, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye bye. Bye.